Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre D250 X-dynamic SE, finished in Gondwana Stone metallic paint, with 20-inch Satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include premium LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the rear of the vehicle we have the spare wheel as well as the mud flaps. As we look behind the rear door now, we can see the load space with the parcel shelf and the 40-20-40 rear folding seats. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside. Turning now to the Ebony Resist seats, which come with centre armrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we have the rear climate vents and power sockets. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, as we turn into view the heated electric front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated seat controls. We have the 3D surround camera display, and on the centre console we have the 2-zone climate control with the gear selector and more power sockets. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.